Imagine running a factory where every minute costs money, every machine has a breaking point, and every decision you make today reveals its impact days later. Capacity, queues, bottlenecks, chaos. Welcome to Littlefield Technologies, the game that turns a simple virtual factory into the most addictive operations lesson you'll ever experience. Littlefield Technologies was born in the late 1990s at Stanford University, designed by Sunil Kumar and Sam Wood, two professors who wanted to teach operations management without relying on textbooks and formulas alone. They created a simulation where students take control of a virtual factory, producing digital testing kits. Simple product, complex system. At first, the game was played over several days. Students checked their factory like it was a stock market. At midnight, during lunch, during other classes. Littlefield became legendary, not because of graphics or gameplay, but because, for the first time, students felt the pressure of real operations. In Littlefield Technologies, you take over a small factory with 3 processing stations, a single type of product, known arrival rates, known processing times, and yet, it turns into a decision-making minefield. 1. Customers arrive. Randomly demand fluctuates. You can't predict it perfectly. 2. Each job moves through 3 stations: Station 1, Station 2, Station 3. If one station slows, the whole factory slows. 3. Machines are limited. You start with just a few at each station. You can buy more, but they're expensive, and once you buy them, you can't sell them back. 4. Jobs queue. Up long queues, shark long lead times, angry customers, and financial penalties. 5. You're measured on profit. Every decision, pricing, capacity, scheduling, affects your bottom line. What makes Littlefield dangerous is the delay. You make a capacity decision today and only see the impact 24 hours later. Sound familiar? Exactly like real operations. There's a signature moment everyone hits while playing Littlefield. The queue at Station 2 starts climbing, slowly, then faster, and suddenly it's out of control. Jobs wait, and wait, and wait, and players think, just buy more machines. But here's the twist. If you buy too early, you burn cash. If you buy too late, the queue becomes uncontrollable. Some teams panic and overinvest. Others freeze and do nothing. Only a few see the real problem. Bottlenecks aren't about working harder. They're about balancing flow. Littlefield Technologies is famous because it teaches the deepest operations lessons in the simplest possible way. 1. Bottlenecks control everything. The slowest station sets the pace for the entire factory, focusing everywhere, wasting money. Focusing on the bottleneck, say increasing profit. 2. Capacity without demand is useless. More machines, more profit. Capacity must match arrival rate, not exceed it. 3. Variability is the real enemy, random arrival rates. Plus stable processing times, chaos. Queues explode even without growth in demand. 4. Lead time is a business weapon, faster flow. Happier customers. Higher revenue. Bottlenecks destroy lead time. 5. Timing is everything. The game is fundamentally about decision timing. Order too late, queues explode. Order too early, profit evaporates. Order just in time, you win. Operations looks like math, but in reality it's psychology, timing, and flow. Littlefield Technologies mirrors real manufacturing far more than people realize. CPG plants deal with shift bottlenecks and seasonal demand. Pharma lines suffer from long changeovers and capacity constraints. Electronics factories struggle with random order arrivals. E-commerce fulfillment centers fight queues every single hour. S&OP teams constantly decide when to invest in new capacity. Every decision in Littlefield has a real-world twin. Machine resembles real-line queue, resembles warehouse backlog lead time, resembles customer service level cash, resembles capital expenditure decisions. And just like the beer game, the biggest enemy is delay, the gap between making a decision and seeing its impact. Today, Littlefield Technologies is used in Stanford, Wharton, MIT, Kellogg, INSEAD, NUS, and top business schools across the world. Companies like Dell, Intel, Unilever, Walmart, and P&G use it to train managers who must make decisions under pressure. It's more than a game. It's a safe place to fail. A controlled laboratory for learning flow, capacity, and timing without breaking a real factory. Littlefield Technologies teaches one profound truth. Operations is not about working harder. It's about designing systems that flow. You master flow, you master factories. And in episode 3, we move from factories to the full end-to-end supply chain with the Fresh Connection, the game that turns teamwork and cross-functional alignment into your greatest competitive advantage.